Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use keyframes on the VN Editor app. So I'm just going to select the clip. You have to click on it and then press the keyframe to where you want it to start, and then slide it and then add another keyframe. For instance, you want to do a zoom in. So on the second keyframe, I'm going to zoom in, and then it's going to sort of gradually go to that keyframe, as you can see. I just play it here. Ta-da! And that is basically it. If you want to zoom out again, you have to add another keyframe, and then you can zoom out. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!